Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Pixel smartphone like Clock Widget in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Pixel Clock Widgets. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, you can just minimize it. Now on the blank area of your home screen, just tap and hold. Now just click on this widgets. You just search for Pixel widgets. So you can see here Pixel Clock Widgets. Just click on it. Now select your respective Pixel style clock widgets, whichever clock widgets you want to select. So let me select this. So just tap and hold on it. Now place it anywhere on the blank area of the home screen. Now here you get an option to add a date and digital clock time also. You can just click on it if you want to add it along with the clock. So right now I'll just keep it blank, and now just click on this add widget. Now you can see we have got a Pixel smartphone like clock widget. Now you can just tap and hold on it. Now you can just resize it. You can make it smaller in size also, and make it a bigger size also depending upon your needs. So by using this application named as Pixel Clock Widgets, you can easily get Pixel smartphone like clock widget in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.